The lengths of two line segments are shown. Using the lengths of the two line segments and measuring the third line segment to the nearest half inch, decide which statement is true. Okay, so we see that this little line is half an inch. The next one is 2.5 inches. We need to measure our third. Okay, so it's on 0. If we're measuring to the nearest half inch, remember a half inch could be 2, 2.5, 3, so every half inch. So this one is 3 inches. And then we are trying to decide if these three lines could be put together to form a triangle. So we need to look at our triangle notes. Okay, remember you're going to have these memorized. And I know when I'm working with the side lengths, I'm using those inequalities. So I have A is less than B plus C. B is less than A plus C. And C is less than A plus B. Okay, I'm just going to label these A, B, and C. So we have 1/2 inch is less than, B is 2.5, plus C, which is 3. So 1/2 is less than 2.5 plus 3 would be 5.5 inches. That is true. Okay. So then we plug in our B. 2.5 is less than, A is 1.5, plus C is 3. So we have 2.5 is less than 1/2 plus 3 would be 3.5. That's true. C is 3 is less than, sorry, I'm going to move that up a little bit. 3 is less than 1/2 plus 2.5. So 3 is less than 1/2 plus 2.5 would be 3. 3 is less than 3. That is not true. 3 is equal to 3, but 3 is not less than 3. So I know that if all three of these inequalities don't work out, then it cannot form a triangle. Okay, so I know that this one cannot form a triangle. So I'm going to look at my answer choices. The line segments can form a triangle because each side of the triangle can be a different length. We know it can't, and we know the each length can be different, doesn't really make a difference. These line segments can form a triangle because the longest side of the triangle can be exactly 3 inches. We just proved that wrong. Okay, 3 is not less than 3. These line segments cannot form a triangle because at least two sides of the triangle must be the same length. Okay, that is not true. You can have 3 sides that are all different lengths. These line segments cannot form a triangle because the longest side of the triangle must be shorter than 3 inches. Our longest side is C, and we know that C, so this one right here, has to be less than 1/2 plus 2.5, so it would have to be less than 3. So D is the correct answer.